Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make cheese sausage dumpling. Hope you like it. The original method of this recipe is to fry it in a baking pan, but today I decided to try using a steam oven. Ingredients: dumpling skin, sausage, cheese slice. Just choose the flavor of sausage you like. I use black pepper flavor. Dumpling skin set aside. Cut sausage into pieces according to the proportion of dumpling skin. Cut sausage into half and set aside. Cut cheese into small pieces. Let's assemble it. Put the dumpling wrapper in place, put the cheese slices in the middle, and then put the sausage on the cheese. Brush a layer of water at dumpling edge. Pinch both sides of dumpling edge tightly. Okay, one dumpling is ready. Repeat the same steps. Drizzle cooking oil on baking plate. Place dumplings nicely on baking plate. Add 2 tablespoons water. Select steam roast mode to bake for 5 minutes at 180 degrees. Flip dumplings and roast for another 10 minutes. This is the result. The baking time can be extended so that the baked dumplings taste better. If you bake them for 5 minutes like I did, it's okay, but the bottom is a little wet. It may also be because there is a little too much water have added, so I just suggested that you add 2 tablespoons. Please remember to adjust the baking time according to your oven. I tried this method and the fried dumplings were quite satisfactory. The best thing is that it is very convenient and you don't need to wash the pot or deal with the oil stains of the fried dumplings. Because the cheese adds a savory flavor to the sausage dumplings, it's delicious. This recipe is simple to make and is perfect for when you have no appetite. It is also great as a snack for children. By the way, if you are looking for healthy low-carbohydrate recipes, welcome to check out my healthy recipe playlist where there are 388 recipes waiting for you. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with one ingredient, come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Is sausage healthy or junk food? While sausage is a good source of protein, it is best consumed minimally due to its high sodium and saturated fat content. Nutrient-rich. Cheese is a good source of essential nutrients, including calcium, protein, phosphorus, zinc, and vitamins A and B12. These nutrients are important for bone health, immune function, and overall growth and development. Bone health. The high calcium content in cheese supports strong bones and teeth. Eating cheese before bed has often had some negative effects associated with it, including indigestion, nightmares, and insomnia. What time should you not eat cheese? You might want to avoid cheese before bed if it causes you digestive upset. For example, eating cheese before bed could lead to indigestion or heartburn if you have reflux. If you have gas, stomach pain, bloating, or diarrhea after eating cheese, you might be lactose intolerant. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.